This is what I made for my family for today. Let me dance to my Lord Jesus because he has risen from the dead. I say I should go and worry no more. That I should be happy, I should rejoice. For him the Lord has done it. So this is me pouring my one plate of rice into a boiling water because it is fried rice. I don't want it to soak enough water. That's why I allow the water to boil. So this is me bringing out the veggies, getting them prepared. My chicken is already fried. I could not record the time I was frying it. So it's time for me to filter the rice after it has boiled. It's time to start cooking. Sorry for that. So after adding some butter in the pot, I add my onion, my thyme, my curry, my salt. I add the rice. The rice is well dried, like no more water in it. My turmeric and ginger flavor pounded by my Dora. I added the flavor inside the rice. I stir it for some seconds. So this is me. My chicken sauce is too watery, right? Don't worry, but it's fine. So this is my seasoning cube, added it, stir it. The brightness of this camera does not let you see the actual color of my rice. It's very okay. So this is me slicing all the veggies I will using. One thing you don't know about fried rice is it's somehow stressful, but if you have somebody that help you out, it's not that stressful. Because I did everything by myself, I feel it's somehow stressful, especially slicing and getting the veggies ready. So I was done with the green pepper and the spring onion. It's time to slice the carrot. This one I'm slicing now is for salad, while this one I'm cutting now is for the fried rice. So guys, it's not easy, but I'm so happy I made it. So after everything is ready, it's time for me to put the sweet corn, kidney beans and pears, putting them together. It's time for me to start frying. In the little hot oil, I added my onion, the veggies. This is the carrots. I stir it. So the next one is my spring onion. I added my spring onion. I stir it a little bit. By this time I've added my green pepper and my chili pepper. So everything is set now. Can you see how my rice is? I said the ventilation does not allow you to see how this rice comes out. It came out very yummy. So my rice is ready now. Let's turn the salad. That was my cabbage, my cucumber and some little carrot because I still have some unsliced cabbage. So I added a little green pepper. So I added cream. It's time to serve my kids. The first person says no want salad. The second person say he wants salad. The third person a little salad, and the fourth, which is my baby girl, that girl she likes salad. I added enough salad for her because she loves it. Can you see? So after the fourth person, which is my first baby, it's time to serve my own. As mother of the house, the neck that carries the head, my dear, I have to eat very well. Before you ask of my husband, is not around. So this is everything I did for today. Happy Easter celebration to you.